Are you a commercial property owner tired of the endless cycle of costly roof replacements? DreamHome introduces Roof Maxx, the game-changing solution that's redefining roof maintenance. Imagine saving a tremendous amount of money compared to a full roof replacement. That's the reality with Roof Maxx. Our innovative treatment rejuvenates your existing roof, extending its life by 5 years with each application. And the best part? You can treat your roof up to 3 times, securing a total of 15 years of extended life. Think about the savings you can redirect to other pressing projects on your property, enhancing your investment without compromising quality. Plus, with our 5-year warranty, you can rest easy knowing your roof is in expert hands. Don't let roof troubles weigh down your business. Choose Roof Maxx by DreamHome and invest in longevity, reliability, and unmatched savings. Call us today and let's give your roof the long life it deserves.